Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of CEL explosion and over the reinforced concrete slab. This is an underwater explosion because here is water and here is air, and this is a concrete slab, reinforced concrete slab. And if I click on animate, you can see the TNT expansion and the pressure which generated by TNT on the reinforced slab, and you can see the damage parameter for that. The wall completely damaged. See, if I if I select just the concrete, you can see the damage here. See the damage which happened. This is the damage. For instance, we can check the plastic strength for that. It is completely failed. Or stress. Let me to check the steel bar inside the embedded inside the concrete host, and also we can check the TNT. This is the TNT volume fraction, but the water is better. See, this is water. By the TNT expansion causes a huge pressure over the water, and the water impacted to the wall and causes this destruction. See, the water. This is the TNT. The red is water and the deformation, and the water goes through air. Let's me to check the air volume fraction. See, this is the air, and you can see this is water go through air here. Also, we can check the stress, the pressure. See, this is the pressure. Okay, or the velocity or the pressure which generated by TNT. See? Okay. If you need this tutorial, the CEL simulation of the underwater explosion over the reinforced concrete, you can come to our website, find the English tutorial with that title, and if you can't find this title, search in the search section of the website. Click on a blue sign or on the title, and then you will have the explanation about the geometry, material model, step interaction load mesh, and the result as figures here. You can see them. There are three important points here. The file contains here and can English video file step by step, and the cost is $32 US. If you have Bitcoin, you can pay with that. If you haven't, you can use a PayPal or a Master or Visa card for the payment. Before that, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for your attention.